insurance claims are classified into two main categories, cashless and reimbursement. Let's see how you can make a claim in your health insurance and the documents you require to make a claim in your health insurance. Cashless claims. Cashless claims takes place if you take a treatment in the network hospital of the insurance company. Cashless claim means your insurer directly settles the hospital bill for the treatment you have undergone. You don't have to pay, the insurance company does. To process a cashless claim, you have to inform the insurance company 48 hours in advance regarding the treatment to be taken in case of planned hospitalization. For emergency, you have to inform the insurance company within 24 hours of hospitalization. You have to submit a pre-authorization form which will be submitted by the hospital to the insurance company. Then the insurer will review the form and approves the claim. If the claim is approved, your medical bills incurred will be directly settled by the insurance company. Let's quickly see some of the benefits in a cashless claim. It's convenient, gives you peace of mind, and it's a streamlined process, also struggle-free. You will have faster access to the care. Usually, a cashless claim gets settled within 2 to 6 hours of raising a claim request. Cashless claim means less stress, faster treatment, no money hassles during emergencies. For a planned hospitalization, you can choose a network hospital so that you can easily avail a cashless claim. Reimbursement claims happens when you get treated in a non-network hospital not tied up with your insurer or cashless facility is denied. For example, any emergency and you have no time to process cashless. After receiving treatment at non-network hospital, the policyholder pays the bill, then claims the paid amount from the insurance company. To process health insurance claim, you must submit your reimbursement claim typically within 15 to 30 days of discharge. Varies from insurer to insurer. Keep all your original documents safer. Get a signed and stamped hospital bill. Keep all your doctor prescription for any diagnostic test and medications. Provide cancel check of proposal along with it, so that you can receive the claim amount in your bank account. The insurance company reviews your claim. If approved, reimburses the policyholder for the covered expenses. Reimbursement claims may need a bit more paperwork, but the money is rightfully yours. Just stay organized. Follow the process to get your reimbursement done right way. For filing a health insurance claim, whether it's a cashless or reimbursement, missing even one document can delay your claim process. Here is a quick checklist of what are the required documents that you might need. Claim form, filled and signed. Health insurance card and your policy document copy. Hospital bills, original and stamped. Discharge summary with doctor's signature. Pharmacy and investigation bill. Doctor prescription for all the treatments and tests you have taken. Your ID proofs, Aadhaar, PAN and any valid ID. Cancel check leaf for reimbursement to get it in your bank account. Ensure that you submit the claim within the specified time frame. There is usually a time limit for submitting claims. Never miss it. Double check the list before you file your claim. If possible, have a scanned copy of every document that you provide to the insurance company for processing your claim. It helps you while reviewing claim amount settled to you. Keeping all documents ready, this will save your time and keep you out of stress. Processing your claim might be a bit difficult at times. With a professional's help, you can process this easier and simpler. To start your insurance and to know more about insurance, contact the number given on the screen.